This P2243 repairing video is dedicated to Honda's drivers. If your Honda is getting a P2243 error code, this video is going to show you one practical solution to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P2243. It means that the oxygen sensor reference voltage to the sensor is open, and this will render the O2 sensor's signal return inoperative and cause the ECM to go into open-loop fuel control. Here are one of the most practical solutions to fix Honda's P2243 error code. Method A, the oxygen sensor. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with cylinder number 1. Sensor number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. If there is no damage found on the oxygen sensor, you would need to take your car to consult professional mechanics. So here are one of the most practical solutions to fix Honda's P2243 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.